Hey, yeah, to the whole world again. It's Luandile here, as you guys all know, and this is gonna be a continuation of the previous of this exercise here. Okay, I'm not gonna read it through. Ideally, we're adding up two matrices, okay, and they gave us a sample run as well. Okay, so let me jump back to my IDE. You know what I've realized, guys, is before I should have put a 2 there, okay, instead of a 1. And since I can do this, you see, rather than isolating that case there, I can simply start off at 0. I can start my column at 0, which will do precisely what I'm doing up here, and then I can get rid of that condition there, and then simply put a 1 at the bottom. Okay, so up there I'm checking the rows, and down here I'm checking the columns. Okay, I'm through with this method, you guys. I just thought I should do it well. Okay, so here's the game plan. Oh guys, because you see, check this out. On this example, they did not let us know how many rows or columns should we test. I mean, they did not let us know about the dimensions of the matrices that we're supposed to test. Okay, meaning we can try any number, but we cannot just enter numbers the same way they did here. Guys, I know I'm the one who created all of these exercises. I'm a person too, so I do make mistakes. You see, for instance, if we had to input a matrix with 12 elements, question is, how would we know whether that matrix is a 3x4 or a 4x3? So in order to make things less complex, let me write a solution with matrices whose dimensions will be a 3x3. Okay, so here's the game plan. I'll simply go matrix 1. It will have 3x3. Again, you guys, remember the idea behind these tutorials. You learn by watching me solving problems. I don't necessarily have to do things in a particular way for you to grasp these concepts. Okay, it's not like you'll be copying and pasting these solutions. Okay, so let me once I've got this, let me have two variables called row and column. I'm gonna use them later on. Okay, now let me initialize my rows, my matrices. Enter a matrix. Again, remember, you guys, I said I'm only working with the 3x3 matrix. So matrix 1 dot length I'm in row plus plus. As for my column, I'll go column equals to 0. Is column less than matrix 1 at 0, column plus plus. Okay, so ideally, I meant row is less than there. So ideally, I'm initializing my matrix 1, so its elements, we're gonna get their values from the user. Okay, same thing applies with the second matrix, except that this time I'll use matrix 2, and matrix 2. Okay, really? Okay, now I need to create another matrix called matrix 3. This is matrix C, by the way. Okay, so it's gonna be new double, it's gonna be whatever is there. Oh, I don't have such thing as A, but I do have something like that. So it's gonna be matrix, I can go 1, 2, or whichever one. Oh, this I'm gonna get from invoking that method there, add matrix. So I'll pass it matrix 1, matrix 2. Okay, now that I've got my matrix, I'll have to take care of the part where I am displaying it. Okay, and you know what, I'm not gonna do it here, you guys. This is enough already. But what I can do is I can show you another way you can go about doing this. I know I haven't tested my solution yet, but trust me, I will. Again, yes, and this one here, it won't return anything. Okay, what it will do instead is it will take 3 matrices. Okay, now what? Ideally, guys, it's gonna have its content is gonna be like its content, oh, okay, its content is gonna be precisely the same as what we have over here, except that it won't be returning anything. Again, I know I haven't checked out this solution first. It's just that I want to talk about the fact that matrices are passed by reference, meaning if you change it, not matrices, arrays. See, the same thing applies with the single dimensional arrays. If you did check out my previous solutions on single dimensional arrays, you would know that if you modify an array within a method, it's get modified even